guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, you can't see my face. Just fixing some stuff. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys this new slime I got. So let's get it. Alright, so I colored it with this paint, this paint, this pink paint, and this paint. So it used to be like a very light pink. It's like a very light purple now. There's some, those are words. There's some blue, as you can see. Not the words. Yeah, so it's, I've always seen this, but so it's Elmer's glue slime. So it's new. I'll read it well, because I can read like this. New Elmer's glue fruity slushy smell flavored. It smells like bubble bath to me, but there's foam beads in it, little tiny ones. It's in like a perfect size case. Like a perfect amount of slime. And look. It smells like paint kind of, but like look it up, the foam beads. But like the foam beads really went up. Yeah. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I just got it out. Didn't barely even touch it yet, so I'm gonna put my sleeves up because I'm wearing a long sleeve. I'm gonna mix all the foam beads in because they're not all the way mixed in. And if you didn't see my last video, I think it was my last video, maybe, I don't know. But I showed you my whole crafts thing. And I just want to say, I got 2 new paints. I don't know if there was pink, but yeah, I got some magenta, some green. So I'm just mixing it and mix. I'm gonna try to cut it. This table has a bunch of scratches, that's why I'm like putting the cup on it. But it's like not sticky barely. There's blue paint on it. Oh, that's why. Uh-oh. I'll just let it get on. So, yeah guys. I'm going to add some more paint. I'm going to use a paintbrush because I don't want to get it all over on here. I'll add some more magenta. Stick it in there. I have a paint palette, but like, I'm not literally painting. I'm just putting some paint on slime. And guys, don't give me hate because I'm putting paint on slime. Some people do it, some people don't. Some people recommend food coloring. I lost my food coloring. Just like painting paper. I'm gonna finish this. Alright, done. I didn't mix it in yet. If you can't tell, there's paint all over my hands. This makes it stickier, but it's fine because it's not that sticky. Loud car. Hear that every morning and every night and every this time, I guess. It's my neighbor. He like works for cars or something. He has a lot of cool cars, but that you guys could, once I'm done, you guys could rewind the video to see the before, and the after. Well, it got stiffer. Kind of got pretty stiff. It's still pretty good, but like, some just got super stiff. Maybe I should add some lotion. Nah. Oh wait, I'm gonna add some hand sanitizer. You might think that's really weird. It's actually gonna help it. It's like lotion basically. Guys, you should try this. Sorry, I'm like just showing. It's perfect. Alright, well, that's all, and bye.